Good evening sa lahat. Magandang gabi. It's weekend na naman. So, happy weekend at it's time na naman for another pronunciation video. So, let's start. And our first word is voice. Ano sa Tagalog ang voice? Or what is voice in Tagalog? Boses. 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 And the example that was posted from our page ay Maganda ang boses mo. Your voice is beautiful. Let's say that again. Maganda. Maganda ang boses mo. And next one, I posted an example of future, present, and past tense sa Tagalog. And the word is salita. Sa English, speak or talk. So, how do you say it? The future tense, I'm going to talk or I'm going to speak. Magsasalita ako. Magsasalita ako. The present tense, I'm talking. Nagsasalita ako. Nagsasalita ako. And past tense, I talk. Nagsalita ako. Nagsalita ako. At another example, laba. Laba. Sa English, laundry or washing of clothes. So, how do you say that in future, present, and past tense sa Tagalog? Example, I'm going to do laundry or I'm going to wash clothes. Sa Tagalog, maglalaba ako. Present tense, I'm doing laundry or I'm washing clothes. Naglalaba ako. At past tense, if you wanna say, I already did the laundry or I did the laundry or I wash clothes. Naglaba ako. Naglaba ako. And how do you say paradise sa Tagalog? Just in case you're in a beautiful place or ikaw ay nasa magandang lugar, you or ikaw, and you wanna say, this is paradise. Ito ay paraiso. Paraiso. Another example or halimbawa, if you wanna say, I'm in paradise. Nasa paraiso ako. Nasa paraiso ako. Few days ago, Dad and I went to 99-cent store and I saw these beautiful gnomes, mga duwende. Duwende. Duwende or dwende. Last Thursday or Huwebes, Mom and I went sa park. Nagpunta kami sa park. Oops, that's another past tense there. And if you wanna see the future, present, and past tense, you can check the info below, and there's more Tagalog words in there, the examples that I used on the video and the other Tagalog words that I used. So you can see that below. And where am I again? Yep. Last Thursday, nagpunta kami sa park. I saw this beautiful flowering tree in red, so I shared that on the page. I said from the page with the photo of the tree flowering in red, ang mga bulaklak ng puno ay kulay pula. The flowers of the tree are color red. Ang mga bulaklak ng puno ay kulay pula. And another one, the flowers are color red, or ang mga bulaklak ay kulay pula. How do you say stinky sa Tagalog? Mabaho. Mabaho. Or you can say mabantot. Mabantot. It means the same. Stinky. So, that's already a short word, but we just want making it shorter. So, we just say, you can just say bantot or baho. Like, while we were at the park, I smelled something stinky, I smelled something bad, and I just caught myself saying, bantot. So, and my mom was, what's that? I said, I smelled something bad. So, you can say mabaho, mabantot, or just say bantot or baho if you smell something bad, or you can say ang baho, or ang bantot, ang bantot. And next, here's a photo of a bee sa bulaklak. That's a bee on a dandelion flower. Sa Tagalog, bubuyog, bee, bubuyog, buyog, sa bulaklak, bulaklak ng dandelion. And our last word is quiet. Tahimik. 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 Why are you quiet? Bakit tahimik ka? Bakit tahimik ka? That's all for tonight, and yep, again, don't forget to check the info below for all the Tagalog words that we reviewed for pronunciation on this video, and also some other Tagalog words that I used. At another thing, if you haven't tried clicking those timestamps, you could try and you can see what happens. So, good night everyone. The timestamps, just in case there's some pronunciation or Tagalog words you want me to say again. You don't have to watch the whole video again, clicking it from the start. You just have to click the timestamps, and then you can hear the Tagalog word pronunciation. Good night. Bye. Happy weekend.